might have to use. Right now it will analyze what I'm asking for and what I've already done and give us the next step. So you can see that we need to use data, extract data. I click on this one. So far in this AI series, we have covered tools that can generate content, design, interfaces, building landing pages, and also generating dummy data. But what about automating repetitive tasks like data extraction, document summaries, updating Google Sheets, or even sending alerts on a regular basis? Welcome to day 194 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we will be using Gumloop. It's an AI powered tool that can allow you to build automations with Visual Builder. It uses something called nodes. Each node will do a particular action like extracting data from PDF, scraping data from a particular link, updating Google Sheets, and so on. Just stack these nodes like building blocks and your fully automated system is ready to roll. So let's see how this all functions. So to begin, head over to gumloop.com and click on Get Started. We can sign in, use Google, select the account, and click on Continue. So we can see that we've got 2000 credits already, okay? And as and when we fill in this information, we will get the additional credits as well. Let's say I'm into operations and project management. Click on Continue. What integrations are you interested in? Let's say Google Sheets, Google Docs, YouTube, LinkedIn. Click on Continue. 2500 credits. Okay, that's great. So let's click on Get Started, and here you go. Now we have tutorials available for web scraping, document processing, social media listening, content generation, and so on and so forth, right? You can also head over to templates to see what are the templates which are already available. So for example, keyword researcher, YouTube to ghost blog converter, right? Let's try this out in a minute. YouTube video to blog post, invoice data extractor, right? Web scraping, and so on and so forth. So we will try with this one, YouTube video to blog post. Now click on this one, and so YouTube video to blog post, it's asking us which is the account that we want to use, right? This is fine. YouTube video link. Let's head over to our YouTube channel. Let me search for HQ. Here we have to enter YouTube link, and for that I'm going to our channel. Let me take one of the videos, let's say this one, which is basically to create beautiful brochures in minutes using Wispy. I'm going to copy the link of this particular video, come back over here, leave it. Target audience, we can mention like founders, students, and working professional. Tone, do we need formal, casual, friendly, inspirational, technical, conversational, professional? Let's go with casual. Content length, do you want it to be 300 to 500 words or 600 to 800 words, and so on and so forth? Let's keep it medium. Additional context or custom instructions, we can give it here. I will not do that. Click on submit and run through. Okay, so it's showing us the progress. If you want to view the flow, you can click on this and you can see what has happened. So let me just close this. So this is where the YouTube link we added, all the details we had given, right? Come down a bit. We have error shield. Drop another node to catch any errors thrown within that node, right? If there is an error, you have an option to passing through the inputs to handle them another way, right? So that's over here. You can go over here and we have using AI, that is Ask AI, using the video transcript and the blog instruction in the context, write an informative blog post that relates directly to the video transcript. Do not straw away from the main idea and context of the concept. The blog post should have proper hierarchy with the relevant sections, right? And here we are using Claude 3.7 Sonnet, right? And here we have combined text, right? Which is basically combine multiple input text using given format. Transcript not available for the video, okay? That is if we have an error, and then please try with a different YouTube video. Yeah, so that's what we are doing here. If we have the error, and the output over there, if we have an error, would be combined text, right? But hoping that the error is not there, okay, this would be the output, okay, which is the output from the response that is coming from AI. Okay, so let's go back and you can see that it is run successfully. Okay, and this is the browser. Create stunning brochures in minutes with Wispy, the AI powered design solution. So design dilemma solved. Okay, so it has given us the detailed blog based on YouTube video that we gave, and this looks to be somewhere between 500 to 800 words. Isn't this amazing? You can also ask Gummy for help if you're stuck with something, right? You can also check the previous runs from here. So we just ran this once, which happened 3 minutes ago, and that was a success. If you want to add more triggers, we can add it from here. Now, we did this using a template. Let's quickly check how do we build it ourselves, right? So I'm going to click on Get Started. Click on Create View, add your first node, and we can use code nodes where we can see this web scraping, which allows us to scrape the websites, right? So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to bubble agencies, right? And I'll go to this particular link, which is bubble.io/agencies, where we can see all the agencies from Bubble, right? AirDev, RapidDev, and so on and so forth. I'll take this link, come back, and use this website scraper. I'll put the link, right? We have a loop mode, which is basically to extract list of things and use that. And then we'll go to the next one, which is basically to get these details. Okay. And let's assume that I don't know which one to use. So I'll go here and say, I want to extract list of agencies from link. I have used Weber, which is the next step I have to use. Right now, it will analyze what I'm asking for and what I've already done and give us the next step. So you can see that we need to use data, extract data. I click on this one that will get added to the canvas. Just drag it and drop it below. I'll connect this to, right? And because we are doing a list of things, I'll enable this. And what are the details that we need? Okay, so I can add it over here. I can say extract the agency means location, budget, from. I need to mention this one, which is website content, right? So I've added that over here. I can give additional context if I want to, right? And here I can mention what other things. So name, which can be a text, and one more data, which is location, which can also be a text. The third one is budget, which can also be a text, right? So once this is done, we can exit the Gummy mode and save this, which is very important. Otherwise, your job might be lost. Whatever you have done, save this again and click on Run. Now you can see that it's showing us web scraper is running and it takes about 8.34 seconds. And the extracted data is also here, right? So let me click on this. You can see that the key item name extracted successfully Hegde. The location is United States, and this is the budget is from $5,000, and that is this particular thing. So it didn't extract a list because we didn't enable this. So let me enable this. Click on save, click on Run. So it takes about 8 seconds to extract it, and it takes about 4.69 seconds to get all of those, right? So extracted item name is AirDev United States starting from 5,000. Next one is RapidDev United States starting from 999, and then all the other details that we can see over here. You can now send these details to Google Sheets or any other platform of your choice. Now this is a very simple example of the automation that is possible using Gumloop. You know, developers charge thousands of dollars to get automations like this. Yes, even simple automations can cost a few hundreds of dollars. But with the help of Gumloop or platforms like this, automations can be built easily with the help of AI. So do give it a try and let us know in the comments below what is that automation that you built using Gumloop. And for me, I think we will use it to convert our YouTube videos into blogs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.